In this video, we talk about C charts, when and how to do them. C charts are the least precise of the statistical process control charts. So let's look at a particular problem here. A cab company gets several complaints per day about drivers. Over 9 days, the owner tracks complaints. The owner wants a 3 sigma control chart to track changes to complaints. I'm having a bit of trouble with my pen today. So here are the numbers. The numbers are 3, 0, 8, 9, 6, 4, 9, 8, 7. Now, despite the fact that I've said that this is about C charts, we have to look at and decide how we know this is a C chart. The first thing is we've got an attribute here. It's a complaint. The driver was either good or they were bad and they got a complaint. So this is an attribute. It's a C chart. We also don't know how many drivers were on the road every day, so we can't do a proportion of trips that were or a proportion of drivers that got complaints, and we don't know how many trips each driver got. So in this circumstance, we can't do a proportion, and we have an attribute, so this is a C chart. 3 sigma means the upper control limit for C is equal to C bar plus 3 times the square root of C bar. This is 3 is the Z value and reflects the 3 sigma. So in a new page, let's figure out, calculate C bar is equal to 3 plus 0 plus 8 plus 9 plus 6 plus 4 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 divided by 9 is equal to 6. That means 6 is the average number of complaints per day. So upper control limit, C, is equal to 6 plus 3 times the square root of 6 is equal to 13.35. And the lower control limit of C is equal to 6 minus 3 times the square root of 6, which is equal to 6 minus 3 times 2.45, which is a negative number. Now you could calculate it out, but since it's a negative number, the lower control limit becomes 0. You can't have less than 0 complaints. So you will lose marks if you put in the negative number, and so it is 0. The upper control limit is 13.35. The lower control limit is 0. If we suppose that the owner gets 14 complaints one day, what can we conclude? In that circumstance, 14 is higher than 13.35. The process is not in control. Something has changed. And so investigate and figure out why it has changed. That is very simply how to do a C chart, how to think about a C chart, and how to decide when to use a C chart. Pretty straightforward. It is, in my view, the easiest of the statistical process control charts.